Suddenly, the screen glitches to a microscopic view of metal shavings in dark oil. You just spent $15,000 on a machine designed for perfection. You polished the chrome, you tuned the exhaust, and you're running the best synthetic oil money can buy. But right now, there is a hidden killer circulating through your crankcase. Most riders treat their oil filter like a $10 afterthought. That's a death sentence for your engine. In the USA, we deal with extreme heat in the southwest, stop-and-go humidity on the east coast, and high-speed interstate hauls that demand more than just okay filtration. If you're running a bargain bin filter, you aren't saving money, you are gambling with your top end. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 oil filters available in the US that actually do their job. One of these is a literal cheat code for engine longevity, and one is the industry standard for a reason. Let's get into it. 1. The mechanic's favorite, K&N Premium, KN Series. Why do pros love it? It's not just the filtration, it's the 17mm nut. The meat, discuss the heavy-duty canister wall. In the US, road debris is a real threat. A thin filter can puncture, a K&N won't. It's designed for high flow rates, perfect for racing and high-performance street bikes. 2. The German engineer, Boss 3323 Premium. The meat, focus on Filetech technology. This filter is for the rider who treats their bike like a surgical instrument. It holds more dirt than almost any competitor. If you're doing cross-country tours from Cali to New York, this is your long-distance partner. The race-ready choice, High Flow Filtro RC. The meat, the only TÜV-certified filter on the market. Mention the tri-fiber media. It's what you use when you spend your weekends at the track but still need to commute on Monday. It balances flow and filtration better than stock OEM. 4. The synthetic specialist, Mobile One Extended Performance. The meat, most US riders use full synthetic oil. This filter is specifically engineered for it. It features a silicone anti-drainback valve. Why does that matter? It prevents dry starts, that split second of metal on metal grinding when you start your bike in the morning. 5. The budget beast, Perlator One. The meat, available at almost every Pep Boys or AutoZone in America. It's the everyman's hero. 99% filtration efficiency without the motorcycle tax price tag. Scene 3. The reveal and call to action. Visual. The host holds up a cutaway of a cheap filter versus a premium one, showing the flimsy paper versus the synthetic blend media. Here's the cold, hard truth. Your oil is only as good as the gatekeeper. You can buy $20 a quart oil, but if it's passing through a cardboard end cap filter, you're wasting your cash. For the US rider, the K&N takes the crown for durability, but if you want the cleanest engine possible, the Boss is your winner. Don't let a $10 part turn into a $3,000 rebuild. Check the links in the description to find the exact fitment for your year, make, and model. If this helped you save your engine, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. What filter are you running right now? Let's see who's actually protecting their ride.